SolidWorksHouse.com.
Okay, as we have completed the theory session of solubility product, common ion effect and simultaneous solubility. These three topics theory session we have completed. Now we will focus on the questions. How the most of the students are focusing on the formula based questions only. So, but because of the lack of the concept, they are not able to answer this type of simple questions. So let's make the basics strong. Okay. Here ionization of XaYb is taking place. Then number of By minus will be with respect to X you have to find out. Okay. So everywhere you have to be very careful with charge also, with the element also, number of also, everywhere you have to be very careful. Okay, see here, XaYb, the very basic formula derivation step will give you X moles of, A moles of Xb plus, A moles of Xb plus, B moles of Ya minus. Is it understood? This will be here and this will be here also. Okay. Now number of moles of A, Xb minus are A, and here number of moles of Y minus are B. Okay. Now we want that number of moles of Ya minus will be equal to. Okay. So number of moles of Y will be how many times of Xb plus. Is this understood? How to solve? So according to this, what is the answer? Number of moles of Yb minus. Okay. B moles of Ya minus is equal to A moles of Xb plus. Okay. So number of moles of Ya minus we want. So A by B. What will be the answer? A by B times of Xb plus. So B option is correct. What is the option correct? B option is correct. So like that, derivation of formula also important. Okay, if you go for the shortcuts, this type of questions you will not be able to solve. Okay, next question is if solubility of A2X3 salt, type of salt is A2X3 and its solubility is Y, then its solubility product KSP we have to find out. Okay, very simple question. So directly I will tell you. See, simple formula is X plus Y. X plus Y must be how much? 5. So directly you can answer this one. But for cross checking, 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 3 into S to the power of, in place of X, what we have to write? Y 2 plus 3. So on simplifying, you will get D option. On simplifying, what you will get? D option. Okay, next question is how many times solubility of CaF2 is decreased when it is dissolved in Kf, 10 to the 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molarity Kf. So this is the question from the common ion effect. Okay, here fluorine is common ion between the CaF2 and Kf. We have to find out two solubility in pure water and solubility in Kf, then divide it, then you will get the number of times. Okay, number of times options are 50, 100, 500 and 1000, and values I will write. CaF2 is 3 point KSP of CaF2. F2 is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Okay, as this is the first question I am explaining, listen carefully. We have to find out two solubilities. Okay, first in pure water, solubility of pure water is CaF2 gives Ca2 plus 2F minus. Let us take solubility as a S1. Okay, this will be 2S1. Understood? So S1 into 2S1 whole square, 2S1 whole square, that is 4S1 cube is equal to 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 11. Okay. So S1 cube is equal to, we can write it as 32. If we write as a 32 into 10 to the power of, how much it will be? Minus 2 divided by 4. Okay. So this will be 2 into 10 to the power of, I will write it here. S1 I am getting as cube root of 8 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So that will be 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. This is S1. Is it understood? This is what S1 is. Okay. S1, any doubt? So here it is, S1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. If you still got any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Now, if the same thing, we are going to dissolve in the KF. Okay. KF, this concentration we will take it as 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Concentration of fluorine will be major from the potassium fluoride because it is completely soluble, it is partially soluble. So KSP is going to be same. This is S2. Okay. And S2, this will be S concentration to the square. Okay. Now S2 is equal to 4 into, what is the CF2? 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 11 divided by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 whole square. Okay. So this will be around less 2 into, on simplification, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay. Okay. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4, 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So this is 100 times greater. Answer is 100 times. That's why B option is correct. Is this understood? Okay, now slowly, in-depth question and complicated question. The solubility product of AgCl is given. Okay, and equilibrium constant of this is given. Equilibrium constant of this is given, and you have to find out solubility product of Ag2S. Two equations given, and one solubility product is given, two equilibrium constants given, and one solubility product is given. Another solubility product you have to find out. Okay, next here options also I am giving you 3.2 into 10 to the power of 16, 1.56 into 10 to the power of minus 49, 3.95 into 10 to the power of minus 25, 3.13 into 10 to the power of minus 17. So this is just like a characteristics of equilibrium constant. Okay. So three equations are given. How many equations are given? Three equations are given. Okay. This already given. So I am converting this solubility product of AgCl. So that means AgCl reversible Ag plus Cl minus. For this value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Okay. So up to here, is it clear? Three sentences we have. How many sentences we have? Three sentences we have. AgCl gives Ag positive plus Cl negative. Okay. So these three equations, and our equation is what is KSP of Ag2S. Okay. Ag2S reversible 2Ag plus S2 minus. This value we want. Now you have to manipulate them so that we can get this value. Okay. So arrange them in such a order. See here. This is the equation 3. Let us take equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So we want this is to be on the left hand side. So equation 3 will be minus. Okay. Why minus 3 is it understood? Because it is on the right side and we want it on the left side. Okay. And equation 1 is on the right side. Equation 1 is on the right side and we want in 1. So, but it will be 2. 2 moles. Why? Because 2 Ag. Okay. S2 minus is here, but 2 Ag will be here. So, like that, if you manipulate them, what will be the equation? You will be getting the 1 minus 3 and minus like this. First equation, just like a Hess law, only you have to arrange them. So then you will get the answer of B, 1.56 into 10 to the power of minus 14. Okay. So 2 into first equation minus 2 into second equation minus 2 into third equation. Okay. Then if you arrange them, then you will get the final this equation. Final this equation, you will get equation 1 into 2 minus equation 2 into 2, equation 3 into 2. On simplifying, you will get the required equation. It is just a combination of the three equations to get the target equation. This is our target. Okay. If you want, you can solve it. Then you will get this equation only. Okay. Okay. I am explaining. Don't worry. See, by using these three equations, I wanted to get this equation. Okay. Now, equation 1 into 2. Then 2AgCl reversible 2Ag plus 2Cl minus. Okay. Minus equation 2 into 2. So if I am doing minus, then it will be opposite side. Minus, this will be 2Cl minus plus 2AgBr reversible 2AgCl plus 2Br minus. Is it understood? Now equation 3 also to be multiplied by 2, or as it is we need to do, I think. Okay, as it is, if we are adding, subtracting like this, Ag2S plus 2Br minus reversible 2AgBr plus S2 minus. Okay. See, what are the things getting cancelled? AgBr, AgBr, and AgCl will get cancelled. 2Ag, Ag2 will remain, and Br minus, see here, Br minus is getting cancelled. Okay, and Cl minus is getting cancelled. So finally, what we get here, it is Ag2S. Left side is only Ag2 is left over. Okay. Left side is only Ag2 is left over. Right side 2 Ag plus left over and S2 minus left over. Is it understood? So this is only C, I think. Is this clear? See, first equation what I have done, this equation I have multiplied the total equation by 2. So 2 AgCl reversible 2 Ag plus 2 Cl minus. Okay. Then second equation multiplied by 2 and reversed also. For reversing minus. Okay. For reversing minus multiplied by 2. So 2 AgBr 2 Cl minus, and this side it will be 2 AgCl plus 2 Br minus. Okay. And in this equation also, as it is done, not multiplied, just reversed. Okay. Ag2S plus 2 Br minus. Ag2S plus 2 Br minus, sorry, this equation. Okay. So finally you will get this equation. So for this equation, what we need, we have to accordingly 1 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus. So it is not C, it is equation 3. If you arrange them, then you will get the final target equation. See, this is equation we want and this is what we got it. Understood? So Ag2S plus 2Br, 2AgBr plus S2 minus. After cancelling everything, we are getting required equation. So already you must be knowing, if equation is multiplied by 2, equilibrium constant gets to the power of 2. Okay. And here to the power of 2 and reciprocal. Here only reciprocal. So after simplification, you will get which option? B option. Okay, note down this. Accordingly, I will write the values and simplify. You will get the final answer. Up to here, you note down. This I will keep it. How we got this one? I think it is clear now. Now I will write this according to this. I will write the values, and you will get the KSP. KSP means salt gives ions. That equation we want. See here, it is equation is multiplied by 2, so square. And first value was 10 to the power of minus 10. See here, it is minus, so reciprocal. And multiplied by 2 square. And minus reciprocal. Not multiplied because and no power. So on simplifying, you will get 1.5625 into 10 to the power of minus 49 is the answer. Okay, here is the next question related to pH and solubility. Both are combined in this one. Solubility product is given, but you have to find out what pH. Okay, I hope you can do combine both topics. Okay, simple question. First of all, from the solubility product, find out the solubility. It is which type? AB2 type. Okay. For AB2 type, KSP is equal to 4S cube. I think you are all aware of it or not? KSP is equal to 4S cube. Okay. Am I correct or wrong? 2 square, 4S cube. Okay, exactly correct. So solubility product, it is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of minus 12. So with this you will get S value. What you will get? You will get S value. Okay. 4S cube is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Then you will get S value. Okay. But that is not answer. See here MgOH whole twice reversible Mg2 plus 2OH minus. So if its solubility is S, then what you will write here? 2S. So concentration of OH minus will be 2S. Concentration of OH minus will be how much? 2S. So once you know the concentration of OH, you will get POH. After that, you will get pH. After that, what you will get? pH. Is this procedure clear to all of you? From 4S cube, I will find out S value. From S value, concentration of OH will be 2S. From concentration of OH, POH. And from POH, 14 minus POH, you will get pH. Okay? And two options you can immediately eliminate. See, once it is clearly base, so it cannot be this one, it cannot be this one. You should try approximately for these two. So option can be B or option can be D. You can try out. Okay? So I hope all of you tried and you will get answer B. Procedure, you note down to get the more number of questions. We will do further questions. Simplification, you can do it afterwards. Procedure, I think everybody understood as of now. Okay, here three salts are given. First salt is of type MX, second salt is of type M2X, third salt is of M3X. Three types of salts are given and their solubility products are also given. What is given? Their solubility products. 4 into 10 to the power of minus 8, 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 14, 2.7 into 10 to the power of minus 15. Okay, these are the three salt type. Now you have to find out decreasing order of their solubility. S decreasing order you have to find out. Three salt different type MX, MX2, M3X. Solubility products are given. Solubility you arrange. You can find out and arrange them. Okay. See, I am explaining. Okay. See here. First MX type. For MX type, this is the S of MX will be simply square root of 4 into 10 to the power of minus 8 because S is square. Okay. So it will be 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 for MX. Understood? But for MX2 there is a problem. Okay. For MX2 it will be 4S cube. 4s cube of mx2 is equal to 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 14. 3.2 into 10 to the power of minus 14. Okay. So this will be s. S is equal to, from this s is equal to s of mx2 will be cube root of 3.2 divided by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 14. Okay. So it will be somewhere, I think, 15. Cube root of this will be 8 into 10 to the power of minus 15. So this will be 2 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay. So likewise, solubility you arrange. If you find out, then answer you will get is mx greater than m3x greater than mx2. Order will be what? Mx greater than m3x greater than mx2. The way I have find out, is it understood? Answer is mx greater than m3x greater than mx2. Okay, is this question clear? Okay, next question is solubility of Li3, Na3, AlF3 whole twice. See, so many twists are there. First twist is gram and second twist is per 100 ml. Okay, at 298 Kelvin, find solubility product of salt. And these are all given are atomic masses. Lithium 7, sodium 23, aluminium is 27, fluorine is 1919. Okay. Okay, now see here, solubility is always kept mole per liter. Okay, so what I will do, 0.0744 divided by molecular mass. Okay, for molecular mass already you got all these values. This will be mole, but it is 100 ml, so liter it will be 0.1 liter. Okay, then you will get what? S you will get. First step, is it understood? First, calculate solubility. Always solubility must be molarity, mole per liter. So for converting milliliter into liter, 0.1. For converting gram into mole, mass upon molecular mass. Is that clear to all of you? Then there is another twist. Here it will be 3s. This will be what? 3s, and this sodium will be again 3s, and it is going to be 2s. Is it understood? This entire aluminum fluoride will be together. So it is going to be 2s, it is going to be 3s, it is going to be 3s. Okay? 3s to the power of 3, 3s to the power of 3, 2s to the power of 2. Then once you get s, you can substitute here. So 3 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 2 into s to the power of 6 plus 2, 8. Then you will get option C as an answer. Okay. What is the answer? 7.46 into 10 to the power of 7.46 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Is this procedure clear to all of you? Okay, next question for the reaction. AgCN whole twice, Ag positive plus 2Cn minus. For this, equilibrium constant is given and find the silver ion Ag plus concentration. Okay, and solution is consisting of this much KCN, this much AgNO3. Okay, first of all, this is equation given, but already we have what? Silver, where it is, we will get silver concentration as 0.03. We will get the Cn concentration from Cn minus. Okay, so I am just reversing this equation. Okay, so if I reverse this equation, Ag plus 2Cn minus, reversible, concentration of Ag, Cn whole twice minus. For this, it will be 1 upon 4 into 10 to the power of minus 19. 1 upon 4 into 10 to the power of minus 19. And initially already concentration is given. See, 2 into 0.1 and it is 0.03. Okay. Now, who is limiting reagent here? Sorry, Cn minus concentration is 0.1. Okay, 0.1. Initially already present here. 0.03. Why I am taking this? 0.03 will be the concentration of silver plus. Cn minus will be 0.1. So who is limiting reagent? This is limiting reagent. So this will be 0. This will be 0.1 minus 2 into 0.03. And this will be what it is going to be when it is 100%. Okay. It is going to be 0.03. But it is not 100%. It is at equilibrium. Okay. So if I take this as a x, okay, so you can find out this and substitute the x value in this one, you will get final answer. Is that clear? 0.03 and 0.01 are originally present. If 100% are dissociating, that will be the option. But x only dissociated. Okay. Then this will be 0.1. Like this only you have to write. If it is x left over, okay, or 0.03 minus x, so 0.1 minus 2 into 0.03 x. Okay, like that you can calculate the x value. So if you calculate the x value by substituting in this formula, you will get to 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 18. What is the procedure? Is it understood? First, I have taken an example as if it is 100% dissociating. But if it is x at equilibrium, that is what we wanted to find out. Okay. If you want, you can write it as a simple x also. Then this will be 0.1 minus 2x. This will be x only. So like that, you can substitute x directly and you will get what answer? 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 18 is the final answer. Okay.